Hey friends, I'm up here on the Upper East Side at Hunter College and we're about to take a trip down to Grand Central, and we have the number 6 train local. And as you can see, there's a bunch of construction going on, and normally there's an entrance across the street, but it's closed, so we'll take a look, see what's going on down here. So here we have one entrance to Hunter College, which is right off the fare control area for the station, and it seems a little crowded because of the construction, and one side of the exits are closed. So this is a local station. It's pretty busy, as you can see. There's huge bank of turnstiles. And kind of unusual to have like a waiting area on the mezzanine level. And we get some windows overlooking the tracks. Kind of unusual too. And kind of cool. So it's pretty simple. 2 platforms, uptown and downtown. In the express, there's 2 express tracks which are run underneath the station. And this is a Saturday. Here's just another view of the uptown platform. So Saturday trains are running about every 7 minutes. And we'll head down. Yeah, I'm not sure what they're doing here, but a lot of construction. It could be making it accessible for handicap. And it also looks like they've done some work on the station. Definitely put in the new yellow safety strips. The floors have been redone, and the tiling. I'm trying to think if they had kind of the new look tiling, and they've gone back to the old school look, which is you can't beat it. And the traditional tile work for the signs. Anyways, friends, we have our downtown train coming. 10-car train. And these cars are approaching 40 years old. So they'll probably have them around for another 10 or 15 years. They'll be phased out. So it's kind of crowded. Anyways, friends, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.